So today I got one of these switches. This is from an ML or R350. I believe it's an R350. Same switch from the ML and GLs. 2009 through 2012, and it's got the issue where the connector becomes unsoldered, or it's got cold solder joints, or the solder joints crack, and then you've got a no start, right, or no dash lights. And intermittent no start is how it usually starts, and then eventually no start. So I released a video some time ago on how to do this, but I believe that in the video I did state that you should be able to save this information, the data, in your switch before you open it up and try to repair this, because if you don't have the soldering skills to do this, you're going to need a whole new switch, and that gets very expensive. So it's always best to be able to have tools like I've got up here to save the data before you open this up and try this repair. And I can't stress that enough, because I think several people have watched my video and attempted to do this and ruined their boards, and I couldn't even get data from it. This one I'm able to get data from. However, you can see that the job that was done, let's see if we can get it under the microscope. Yeah, the person who did this job didn't have the soldering skills needed to get it done properly. I see some cold joints here, and this connector is wobbly. So yeah, if you don't solder often, especially on small circuit boards, I would say get this to somebody who can save the data and do the soldering job well, okay? So this is just a reminder, if you don't have the soldering skills to do this job, don't attempt it, because now this person, I'm going to have to clone their EIS, and that gets a lot more expensive than the repair, okay? And most importantly, save your data before they go in and solder. All right? Thanks, guys.